pwedeng nasa envelope na brown envelope, pwede rin naman nasa box. So kaya misnomer na po yung BIR box kung tatawagin, because baka isipin ng publiko na ganun din in such a form din the BIR commissioner, if ever a subpoena is issued, na ganun din siya magko-comply. It was totally the discretion of the BIR commissioner at the time to put it in a box and to put it in a green box at that. Pero we don't need to expect the same thing dito sa pagsunod sa subpoena if ever i-issue ng impeachment court.
In case lang po, although ayaw natin pangunahan yung korte, no? Pero kung masasabi naman ito, meron pa ho bang pwedeng gawing legal move? For example, yung side naman po ni VP Sara, can they go to the Supreme Court?
There are two schools of thought dyan, no? May nagsasabi na hindi pwede dahil sole power to try and decide on all matters about impeachment ang Senate as impeachment court. Meron naman school of thought na nagsasabi na parang pwede kapag maipakita na merong grave abuse of discretion amounting to lack or excess of jurisdiction o pagmamalabis ng kanyang kapangyarihan ang korte o binayolate niya yung mga karapatan under the Bill of Rights. So hindi natin alam kung ano yung tatahakin nitong issue na to on the interlocutory resolution ng subpoena do sa STECUM. Kailangan natin hintayin kung ano, but sabi nga, no, anyone is free naman to file a case whether or not the Supreme Court will decide on the merits or dismiss it because sasabihin ng Supreme Court political question to na the Senate has the sole power to try, then that's the only time we will know a definitive answer.
Thank you, Attorney
Thank you po,
Mean.
Sandra.
Meron pa tayo, guys?
Parang wala na, Ate Mean, no?
Sige, may isa na lang ako. Attorney,
Ah.
kapag po patungkol sa image or integrity ng impeachment court or senator judges, for example, yung kahapon kay Senator Alan, ganun po ba talaga na sa impeachment court siya pag-uusapan o dapat po bang sa caucus siya pinag-uusapan? Paano po ba?
Syempre, yung ating presiding officer is very much concerned din naman doon sa bawat senator judge. At ayaw niya rin naman as a matter of respect and committee na pagbawalan yung mga senator judges na tumayo doon, no? Basta respetuhin lamang yung time periods na nakalaan sa kanila to make the whatever manifestation. Hindi din naman natin masasabi at ng impeachment court, hindi din naman nila masasabi na totally wala silang kapangyarihan to hear those kinds of manifestations